So, hello and welcome to this video from Urban Maths Intervention. This video will show you how to use the bus stop method for short division. First, we will start off with some 2-digit problems, then we will move on to some 3-digit problems. So, really, to do division smoothly, you need to be good at your times tables. Luckily, we have a little app here on the screen that can make this easier for now, but really, you need to get more comfortable with your times tables if you want this to feel much easier and like a little bit of fun rather than possibly feeling like hard work. Okay, so let's look at the first question. First question we have here is 31 divided by 5. And we say to ourselves, how many times can 5 fit nicely into 31? So then if you look at the bottom here, for those people who are not very good at their times tables, we can just go through the times tables here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And we've reached 30 by doing it 6 times. If we carry on further, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, we've actually gone too high, we've done too much. So the 5 fits in 6 times, and then we have a remainder here. So we're thinking, how do we get from 30 to 31? Well, it's only remainder 1, so it's 6 remainder 1. And you would write the answer up here. So let's do another one. We're saying to ourselves, how many times can 8 fit into 13? So if we do the 8 times tables, it would be 8, then 16. 16 is too big, so we get to the 8 and we say, okay, how do we get to 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's 1 remainder 5. And you would write it up here. So maybe we'll do 2 more of these then. So let's go to another question. How many times can 8 fit into 59? Or you could say 59 divided by 8. So if we do our 8 times table, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. If we were to carry on to 64, that would be too many times. So it fits in 7 times, but then we need to get to our number, which is 59. We have 1, 2, 3 left over. So that would be 7 remainder 3, and you'd write it at the top. We'll do one more, just for good measure. And it's 4. How many times can 4 fit in 42? Or 42 divided by 4. So if we do our times tables, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. If we were to carry on to 44, that would be too many times. So it fits in 10 times, and there's 2 left over to take us up to 42, and you would write it up there. So that's enough with the 2-digit problems for now. So now we'll go across to looking at some 3-digit problems. So this time we're going to write things slightly different because there's a little bit more to think about. So what we'll say is 485 divided by 9. So hopefully by this time you would know your 9's times tables. So we know that 9 can't fit into 4. So the first thing we do is put the 0 up here. And the next thing we do, we'll cross out this 4. And then we'll actually move the 4 into this column and we can say, okay, how many times can 9 fit into 48? So if we know our times tables, we can jump up and we can go from 9, then we can go to 18, then we can go to 27, then we can go to 36, and after 36 would be 45. And if we carried on after 45, we'd end up with 54. 54 is too big. So we go back to 45 and say, okay, that was 9 times 5. It fit 5 times. We've got some numbers left over now to get to 48. We've got 3 left over. So then we put the 3 over here. So we say again, how many times can 9 fit into 35? So we'll start again from a 9 times table. 9, jump up to 18, jump up to 27. If we jump again, we'll end up on 36, which is too big. So we've ended up on 27. That was 3 times 9. So we put our 3 here. How do we get from 27 to 35? Or you can count on from 27. So we say 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we had to add on 8 more. So we have a remainder 8. So we'll do one more of these. 5 into 109. This is a good one because we have a 0 in the middle. So first, can 5 fit into 1? No, it can't. So then we'll cross out the 1. We'll bring the 1 over here. Can 5 fit into 10? Yes, it can. How many times can it fit in? Times tables. 5, 10. So that was 2 times. And then we look at the last question. There's nothing to carry over. So 5 can fit into 9 one time. And then how do we get from 5 to 9? There are 4 left over. So it is remainder 4. So hopefully that's helped you out with your bus stop method. If you want to practice some more, you can just go to Bus Stop Galaxy and carry on until you feel comfortable with that. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.